How to redeem a gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can actually redeem a gift card. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Before we get on to how we can redeem a gift card, you have to understand the ways to redeem each gift card that you brought from each store is actually different on each website. So basically, you have a debit gift card, you want to redeem it on Amazon, the process is different. Maybe you want to redeem an Xbox gift card, the process is different. Maybe you want to redeem a PlayStation gift card, that is also different. Maybe you want to redeem an eBay gift card, that process is also different. Now usually we have already made multiple dedicated videos and we try to cover as many topics as possible on how we can redeem each specific gift card. If you do find it, then I'll just recommend to actually search them up in our channel. If you find it, that's perfectly awesome. If you don't, then in case, what you can also do in that case is, let's say you want to actually redeem your Amazon gift card, right? In the Google address bar, you just want to type in redeem Amazon gift card. And because I'm telling you this, because the reason is that every gift card is actually has a different process to redeem it. Just because I redeem the same way on Amazon does not mean the same is on eBay, the Hulu, Netflix, or anywhere else, because the process to redeem each gift card is different. You have to understand what kind of gift card you want to redeem on what kind of website and only get to the further processes on it. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, then make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.